Most local business websites are completely useless. They don't answer questions, they don't do follow-up, they don't book appointments automatically, and because of that, they're losing thousands of dollars every single month. But right now, websites can literally talk to customers, and the people who set this up are quietly making $3,000, $5,000, even $10,000 a month doing it. This is a complete gold rush, and it's happening right in front of us. Local businesses need this. They want this. And they're willing to pay really good money for it because it directly makes them more money. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to build and sell talking websites and how you can turn it into a $5,000 per month income stream. Even if you have no experience, you're not tech savvy, and you've never sold anything before. And real quick, last thing, I have nothing to sell you. No paywall, no high ticket coaching, nothing. I'm giving everything away for free. If you want my exact system, step-by-step with all my scripts, my templates, my course, my live bootcamp, live kickoff call, literally everything you need to succeed, just like this video, share it with a friend, and comment free course below, and I'll make sure to send everything over to you. All right, let's dive in. So again, this is a super simple business model. We're gonna find these local businesses, which I'll teach you how to do. We're gonna offer them a simple automated system, which in this case is going to be a talking website that's going to answer the customers right away, capture the lead, and make sure that they follow up with them. And then we're gonna get paid anywhere from $300 to $500 per client. So my promise to you is by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what a talking website is, why local businesses are desperately in need for this, how to actually make money with it, and how to land your first client. All right, so what is a talking website? A talking website is a website that has an AI voice chat assistant that can answer customers' questions, book appointments, capture leads, and follow up with them automatically. It works 24/7, never misses a call, never gets tired. All right, so over my website, there's a chat widget here. When you click that, a customer could reach out with SMS or email, live chat, which I have a full video on using an AI chatbot, and then we're going to actually teach the voice. So turning this website into a voice AI.
Hey, you have reached Savvy Systems AI. How can I help you today?
Hey, I'm just looking to get some more information on what you guys do.
Savvy Systems AI specializes in helping home service professionals and contractors grow their businesses through marketing systems, website design, reputation management, and automation. We focus on creating professional, high-performing websites tailored to contractors, along with strategies to increase website traffic, generate leads, and improve sales conversions. Our services are designed to help businesses stand out from competitors, showcase customer reviews, and build
how do
a strong...
I book a call to maybe get a demo?
To book a demo call with Savvy Systems AI, you can schedule a consultation directly with their team. During the demo call, they'll answer your questions, showcase features, and provide insights into how their services can help your business. If you'd like, I can assist you further with this process.
Beautiful. So clearly you can see how important that would be for home service businesses to have on their website. So when a potential customer comes to their website, they're going to get all their questions answered, they're going to get booked on their calendar, and they're going to actually close that lead. So for example, if a dentist missed just 5 calls a week and each patient is worth about $800, that's $4,000 gone. Now imagine you fix that problem for them. All right, now let me teach you how to actually build it and how it works, because once you see it, you'll realize how simple it is. We're gonna use a simple software, and no, it's not complicated. You don't need any coding or anything like that. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is open up this simple software. And again, I have an exclusive 30-day free trial to the software and my entire free course if you just comment free course to walk you step-by-step on how to do this. All right, so there's really gonna be 2 scenarios. You sell a business owner that already has a website that just wants the AI voice chat widget on the website, or they need a website altogether, and you can charge them a fee to create the website with the drag and drop software, and then put the AI voice chat widget on the actual website. So on this first page, super simple, you're just gonna connect their Google Business profile. So you're just gonna go over to Sites, Websites, click New Website from a template, and click Go. And then you're gonna come over to here and you're gonna click Home Services. You're gonna see how easy and simple this is. It's drag and drop. So there's appliance repair, framing contractor, plumbing maintenance, roof install, HVAC. So we'll just go over and look at the preview for appliance repair. Expert appliance repair you can trust. And it's a nice, clean website. You can do packaging down here, customers, what they're saying, locations. So you would just select Use Template, and it's going to import it into your software. So as you can see, this software is drag and drop. You can move things around very easily, and you would just take, maybe an hour or so and swap out the branding, swap out the logos, swap out the text using ChatGPT, maybe remove the packaging if they don't have packaging, import some of their reviews from Google, and have this thing looking super professional. And real quick, I have an entire video on how to sell AI websites. So this is kind of an additional service if the customer didn't already have the website. You can sell these for anywhere from $2,500 up to $5,000, depending on the complexity. But I wanted to make sure that we have the customer's website that we can actually build the AI voice from. So next, you're going to go over to AI agents. And under AI agents, you're going to click Voice AI, create your first Voice AI agent. So I already have one created. You can browse the marketplace here and click continue. And you can kind of go through and see which ones have the most reviews and kind of what they do. Some of them are for local home services. I actually like to create my custom agent. So I'm going to click continue. And this is super simple to do. So you can give it the agent a name, say Mark. Let's say the business name is A+ Appliance Repair. We want English, and then you can go ahead and select which voice you want. So you can pick different accents to sort by here if you want a female. And you just kind of go through and listen to see which one would match the business or what they own.
The 90s were fun because it was a time full of new trends.
So that's Dakota.
Okay, so this might sound silly, but...
That's Hope.
Hey, my name is Erin.
I'm your fun, hip...
Let's see Jessica.
Hey, Worldly 11 Labs...
She's one of my favorites to use.
Celebrate...
But I'm going to use Dakota this time. So you click Dakota, save voice, and we should be good to go. We're just going to change out this to A+ Appliance Repair, so it's not my business. And click Next. Next, you can select a knowledge base. If you don't have one already, you basically just import the website into this, add any FAQs, pricing, anything like that. It's super simple to do. You just create a knowledge base, and it's basically a document that helps understand the business. So we'll go ahead and just click a generic existing one. We want to collect the name, email, address, and contacts issue. And then you can even receive an email notifications to the admins, so the owner, when someone actually uses the AI voice. Next, you would link their phone number here. You can enable AI agent as a backup. So if they don't want the AI agent all the time and just when it's off hours or when they're not working, you can do that. You can also set the hours here very quickly and easily. As you can see, there's no coding here. You don't need to be a tech wizard to walk step by step through this. This software makes it super, super simple. And then the cool thing is you can test the web chat here. So we're going to go ahead and click start call.
Hey, you have reached A+ Appliance Repair. How can I help you today?
Hey, my dishwasher disposal, my disposal is not working anymore.
Got it. That sounds frustrating. Let me help you out with this. Could you share your contact details with me, like your name and phone number? This way, I can make sure a team member gets back to you promptly to assist further.
So as you can tell, they're going to capture everything you did. I just set that up in less than 3 minutes. You can look at the transcript here. You can have the recording, the summary. You can give it feedback. Super, super simple to do. So go ahead and click save. That AI agent is created. I just remember I named her Mark, so I'm going to go back and change the name so there's no issues. All right, so now if you go to AI agents, AI voice, and then agent list, you're going to see the two that are created. All right, so the AI voice agent is created. We're going to go over to sites. Now we're going to go over to chat widget, and we're just going to click chat widget here. So under here, you're going to click which type of chat widget you want. If you just want the AI voice, you would just unselect the other ones. I want all three. And then choose an option to get started is kind of the option if you click here. So now it's choose an option to get started. And you can pick out the style, change the branding, change kind of what the welcome message is, where it's located on the website. You can change title, intro, all that stuff. Super simple, easy to do. You can kind of walk through each one of these to customize it. And then here's where you're going to pick Dakota or Kelan, which is the one that I created for my own business. And then it's pretty much done. You're going to click save, and then you're going to click get code. Now, this is the only tech thing that you need. And I promise you, it's literally just copy paste in the code. So if they have a website with you on the software, this makes it super simple. You basically just paste this code. I'm going to teach you how to do this. Now, if their website's on another platform, say Wix, WordPress, Lovable, you basically just take this code and paste it in the header of their website. So I'm going to show you how simple and easy that is to do on this software. So if we go to sites again, websites, appliance repair, settings, here's head tracking code, and you literally just copy paste it. There you go. Click save, done. And now it's on the website. So if we go, we should be able to see it on the website. And now if you click preview here, you should be able to have it pop up on the website. Again, we didn't brand it to this company just yet. That's simple to do. And now it's all ready to go specifically for A+ appliance repair. So as you can tell, this is very beginner friendly, step by step. The software makes it super easy. You're not some tech wizard in Silicon Valley starting a software company. You're literally just taking an all-in-one software that's already created for you and customizing it for each business owner. That's it. And businesses are willing to pay thousands of dollars because you're solving a huge problem in losing revenue. Think about it. Have you ever reached out to a business, went on their website, there's no way to contact them, you try calling them, they don't answer the phone. What do? You literally go to the next business, and the first business that you tried to contact lost your business forever because you didn't respond quickly and right away. So why is this a gold rush right now? Most business owners still don't have this. They don't even know it exists. They don't understand AI. They don't have the time to figure it out. They just want more booked appointments and more income coming in. And when you can show them that this actually increases revenue and saves them time, they are going to be begging to pay you. This is not selling technology. This is selling a system that generates more money for business owners. And that's why this is a gold rush moment that you can't wait on. All right, so how do we get to $5,000 per month realistically? There's really two models. You can charge an upfront fee to set it up and configure it, and then charge monthly, or you can go right to the monthly retainer and have no setup fee, anywhere from $297 a month up to $1,000 per month, depending on what you're offering the business. All right, so let's do the math. 5 clients at $500 a piece is $2,500. Now, if you charge $1,000 per business, now you're at $5,000 per month in reoccurring revenue. And that's it. You don't need hundreds of clients. You just need 5 to 10 to make life-changing money. All right, so let's talk about landing your first client. You want to pick one niche: dentists, med spas, roofers, contractors, plumbers, electricians, HVAC, one. I fell into the trap of wanting to serve everyone. And when you do that, you serve no one. So pick one, niche down. I know it's really hard to do, but that's going to be huge for landing your first client and getting that snowball started. Then you're just going to build them a sample demo. So for us, it was A+ appliance repair. So you're going to make an appliance business website. You're going to put a nice branded AI voice chat widget on the bottom. And then you're going to record a 5-minute Loom video showing how it works, how it captures missed calls, how it books appointments automatically, and then you're going to send them a link to get on a quick 15-minute demo call with you. All right, so back over to the computer. I'm going to show you my favorite way to find these clients that actually need this service. You can use Google Maps. This is one of my favorite ways. You can also use local Facebook groups. I've found a bunch of clients doing that as well. So I typed in appliance repair, Albany, New York. All right, so the first one here has no website to begin with. This could be a perfect potential client for you. Again, you could sell them the talking website and all-in-one package, do an upfront fee to get it set up, and then ongoing to maintain the AI chat widget and AI voice. Another one, American Appliance Repair, Appliance Technician Services. They have a bunch of reviews, so I would imagine this website is pretty good. And I'm actually shocked it's pretty bad. They do have a chat widget though, but it's not a voice chat widget. So easy to send them a video and share why they need a chat widget, someone to actually talk to the customers. JB Appliance Repair, again, you can kind of go through and quickly visit their websites. This is a horrible website, horrible background. This would be one that would be easy to sell, and it has no chat widget again. And just going back down, here's 3 more with no websites, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a honey hole. So this is a great niche, appliance repair. I'm actually going to write this one down. I have not tapped into this niche yet. So you can put those all into an Excel sheet or use a scraper on Google to kind of get those leads that don't have websites. They would be perfect for selling talking websites too. All right, so we've picked a niche. We've built a simple demo. We've recorded the 5-minute video sharing how it works, how it captures missed calls, how it books appointments automatically. Then you're going to send these business owners either a text message, a Facebook message, or call them directly. Cold outreach works really well. To get them to view the demo that you created them and book a demo call with you. And that demo call is really to answer any questions that they have and then to get them sold on the talking website. A simple script would be, hey, Dr. Smith, I noticed your website doesn't have an automated booking assistant. I built a quick demo showing you how to capture missed calls and book appointments automatically. So super short, super direct, value focused that you are trying to help them solve a real problem in their business. Again, I have all my scripts that are way more in depth in my free course below. So comment free course below. And if they have any objections, you want to make sure you can put this into ChatGPT too, of like, hey, this is what I'm trying to sell. I'm trying to sell talking websites. What objections would business owners have? So that you have those in front of you when you're on the call with them or a demo call. All right, so you might be thinking, but Kelan, I'm not technical. Well, you saw that you don't have to be. The most technical thing that there was copy pasting the code into the header of the website. You can literally watch this video and show you how to do it. Maybe you're thinking I'm not good at sales, and guess what? You don't have to be. You're just taking this simple system, this simple solution, and offering it to business owners and solving a real problem for them. You're not having to sell it on them. You're literally solving their problems. The sales will come by just showing value and solving their problems. And you might be thinking, well, I don't even know where to start. Well, again, take my free course, start with one niche, make one demo, and just get that first client, that first business paying you. Now I want you to quickly have a vision with me. Imagine covering your groceries with just one client, and then your car payment when you have 2 clients, and then your mortgage when you have 4 or 5 clients. That's the difference between surviving and breathing again. And that's why this is such a rare opportunity where the timing actually matters. These talking websites right now is a gold rush, and it's probably going to be a gold rush for the next year or 2, but you need to jump on it and get started so you can truly start helping these businesses make more money and in turn, start building up your reoccurring revenue that's going to change your life. And if you want my exact outreach scripts, my full system, step-by-step, comment free course below, like this video, share it with a friend, and I'll get it sent over to you. And if you are fired up and motivated to start making money with these talking websites, make sure you watch my next video here. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching. God bless.